Set in one of Lake Oswego's most established and desirable neighborhoods, this inviting, single-level home offers the perfect balance of comfort, functionality, and everyday convenience. Just moments from shopping, dining, excellent Lake Oswego schools, and popular parks and trails, this location combines peaceful residential living with easy access to city amenities and some of the area's favorite outdoor spaces. Inside, hardwood floors flow throughout the entire home as endless entertaining awaits, with a floor plan that offers effortless indoor-outdoor living. The vaulted, updated kitchen with beautiful marble counters is positioned at the heart of the home, making it easy to stay connected. Multiple living spaces offer flexibility, including a dining room and a bright, formal living room with a cozy fireplace and large windows. Privately situated, the primary suite offers direct backyard access. Along with an ensuite bath and large walk-in closet designed for comfort and convenience. 3 additional bedrooms and another well-appointed full bath provide flexibility for guests, home offices, or a growing household. Whether you're hosting summer gatherings, enjoying evenings around the patio, or simply relaxing at home, the flat backyard offers plenty of room to enjoy. With its functional layout, hardwood floors throughout, and ideal Lake Oswego location, this home brings together classic style, comfortable living, and versatility. It's all here at 15 Churchill Downs and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.